So our ninth question is find a vector into B cross C vectors if A vector is given as 2i plus j plus 3k and B vector is given as minus I plus 2j plus 3k and C vector is given as 3i plus j plus 2k. So we have to find the value of these a vector dot b cross c vector by using these given vectors. So let's jump into the answer. So the answer is simple. If a vector is given as 2ij and b a vector is given minus I plus 2j plus k and c vector is equals to 3i plus j plus 2k. So we can write the A dot B cross C matrix is B cross is equals to the matrix of the given three vectors magnitudes. So the first magnitude of vector magnitude will be 2, 1 and 3 and second will be minus 1, 2 and 1 and third will be 3, 1 and 2. That we after that we expand the vector, we get r is equals to r1 is equals to 2. So expandation will be 2 into 2 into 4 minus 1 for this, and for another we get minus 1 into minus 1, we take minus and 1 into this and this, multiply this, minus 2 and minus 3 we get. After that we get 3, so we neglect this and this, we get this and this, multiply minus 1 into minus 6, we get this equation. After solving the equation we get 6 plus 5 minus 21. We get after solving this we get minus 10. So we get the value of this is equals to minus 10 by using the matrix formula. Thank you.